Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix Starling Bank application crashing issue. If you're experiencing issues with the Starling Bank application crashing on you every time on your Android device, then here are some troubleshooting methods you can follow. The first thing to do is to restart your device. Press and hold the power switch and tap on the restart button to restart your device. And after a simple restart, you will be able to solve temporary glitches or application crashes issue. If the problem still continues, the next thing you'll need to do is to clear your app cache and data. Go ahead and press hold the Starling Bank application and tap on App Info in the pop-up. Once you open up the App Info, tap on Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right and Clear Data at the bottom left. Tap on OK and you will then be able to clear out app cache and data. Once you do that, this action will reset any corrupted data that could be causing the app to crash. Now you can open the application on your device and check if that fixes the issue. If that still doesn't help, the next thing you'll need to do is to check your device's storage. Make sure to remove any unnecessary application or files so that you can have enough free space on your device. Insufficient storage space on your device will cause application to malfunction, so that might also be the main cause why your application is crashing. If none of these steps worked, the next thing you'll need to do is to reinstall the application. Go to your app drawer and press and hold the Starling Bank app and tap on Uninstall. In the pop-up, tap OK and delete your Starling Bank application from your device. After you do that, you can go back to your Play Store and then reinstall the application, which may resolve persistent issues by installing the fresh copy of the app. So those were some of the fixes you could follow if you're going through application crashing issue on your Starling Bank app. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.